擇你想聽嘅導遊語言。祝大家今日喺森林。有6個方向，佢就全拍你啦。跟馬前面，呢隻係咩嚟㗎？睇什麼動畫呢？有的队列可能稍微长一些，但是每个队列等候的时间是一样。祝您森林河流之旅愉快！請各位當前有可能被水濺視。歡迎嚟到世界知名嘅森林河流之旅。請根據專輯上面唔同嘅標誌，選擇你想聽嘅導遊語言。祝大家今日喺森林河流之旅玩得開心。仲有小心啲，你哋可能會隨時整濕身嘅。
Okay, here we go. Let's turn around and say goodbye to the people back on the dock. Bye. Say goodbye again. We will never ever see them again. Hello, on behalf of the Jungle Navigation Company, welcome aboard the world famous Jungle River Cruise. My name is Carrie. Hello, everyone. Hello. Good morning. I'm going to be your skipper and crocodile wrestler in the next 5 exciting days and 10 romantic nights. Before we depart, I must remind you that please remain on your seat and keep all your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. Otherwise, the crocodiles will come here and eat you. Okay? Okay. And also, this is a water ride. You may get wet. Please beware of your electronic device and please supervise your children. Okay? Okay, everybody. Now let's look at your left side. Your left side. Nothing interesting. Something interesting on your right side. Do you know what is this? Yeah, this is Tyson Tree Hut. But so sorry, Tyson's now going trouble with Jane. It's not at home. Maybe next time when you're back home, remember, please take the route over there. Okay, but don't sleep because there's so many crocodiles hiding under the river and waiting for you. Okay, we're in the longest river in the world, around 4,000 miles. But don't worry, I know the shortcut, and then we can go back to the dock faster. Ah, let's look at the front. See, there's some elephant. It's the mother elephant and its baby. The mother elephant is teaching its baby how to use its trunk. Look, it's so cute, it's so happy. Don't worry, it's just a little baby. You won't get wet, okay? Bye, baby elephant. Okay, look at your right side. Ah, something you won't see every day. It's the crocodile elephant. Now he's taking a shower because he's very dirty. Oh, but I think he's under the water too long, so he's so wrinkled. If you want to have so much wrinkle, remember to take a shower, okay? Just like me. Oh no, one more in the front. It is baby elephant. He loves to spray water. Oh no. Hey guys, are you ready to get wet? Yeah. It's late. Everybody ready? It's coming up. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Get yo! Just eating. Okay. Oh. There we go now. Look at your left side. Ooh, it's giant spider. Wow, we're 1, 2, 3. That's so big. Have you ever seen this big spider before? No, the first time too. I think they can jump off at 1 feet. But we allow have it away, so everybody don't worry. It is the Asian type of conditioner. The middle one is the elephant goat and both of the cobra to protect kids. If you come to the cobra, one more on the left side. So everybody keep quiet, okay? Keep quiet and hold still because the cobra is the most poisonous snake in the world. If they see us, they'll come and bite us. Okay, everybody, you can all relax. We're out of danger now. Oh, sorry, not yet. So many crocodiles. We come to the crocodiles encounter. Pay no more attention to them because most of them are fast asleep. But it seems that some of them are so hungry. Keep just inside the boat, okay? We call them crocodiles, but do you know what they call us? They call us breakfast, okay? So watch your hands if they love children very much. Oh, up ahead, it is the campus of our scientists. I remember we have scientists called Dr. Shaq, come from Hong Kong. Where's the director? What are they doing? Ooh! Hey, don't shoot us, okay? It's very dangerous. Don't let it get anymore. Okay. Wow, everybody, welcome to African Safari. You can see there's so many animals like zebra, giraffe, and elephant. ask you a question. Do you know the difference between the male zebra and the female zebra?
No.
Okay, let me tell you. It's the stripes, okay? Let's look together. Yeah. Look together. The left side, male zebra is black with white stripes. Okay? And the right side, the female, white with black stripes.
Oh.
This is how it is true. You know the answer. If you don't believe me, I can let you off the bed and take a closer look, okay? Oh, the one more on the right side. This is the most beautiful. His mother-in-law visits the dinner. Okay, so we're surrounding us with the food. What's that? It's hippo. Everybody please remain on your seat because the look of this room is... Come on your left side. Hey, get down. You already successful last week, okay? You're so lucky. Oh, there's another tree. Who's that? It's my friend. Oh no, the second one from the bottom is Dr. Shaq. Hey, what are you doing here, Dr. Shaq? Oh, he's in danger. Anyone want to save them?
Oh no.
Okay, maybe just say goodbye to them. Bye. To you.
Be careful.
The station, we come to the local territory. No worry, the villagers here is so nice. But I know that they love to use their poison dash to catch fish. It's so funny. Look, they're over there. Let's say hello to them. Hello. 안녕하세요. Huh? Oh, get down. What are they doing? Hey, don't fish us, okay? Get no fish. What's going on? Why they catch us? Everybody, are you alright? Yes, very good. If you get hit by the dot, just return it to me. Don't keep it as a souvenir, okay? Alright, now we're out of danger. I think we can back to the dock now. Whoa! Sorry, get ready! Get back to the dock! What are you doing? Oh, it seems that we come to the forbidden canyon of God. Oh, this area is by the god of fire and the god of water. Can we go back? No, we need to go back. Oh no, what's happening? Oh, it's fire! The fire is anchored down. There's everybody hungry. I just don't know this. Let's catch the fire together. Okay, we're out of danger. We're safe. Finally, we survived. I'm here. Wow. We still have one more to left side. See, who's that? Baby elephant again. You welcome us back to the dog. Alright, before we back to the dog, let's say goodbye to the baby elephant. Bye. See you next time. Alright, everybody. Two more things to do. Everybody please remain seated, okay? And then keep your hands inside the bird. Hands off the bird. Thank you so much. Okay, we come back to the dog now. So if you enjoy the trip, you can remember my name. My name is Carrie. I'm your skipper. But if you don't enjoy it, just remember my name is Mary. So that you can leave. Remember to use the middle exit and the back exit to leave. Don't cross my windows, okay? Okay. Now my voice completely still. It's time to say goodbye.